Okay, now let's begin from part one. It is about future. Okay, what job would you like to have 10 years from now? Why?
I would I do after 10 years many things. I have a own house. I have own business. Everything is going well. One.
Okay, and how useful will English be for your future? Why or why not?
I think it is useful, more useful in the futures. I'll I'll boost my English and it is convenient to communicate. I have
Okay,
no problem.
okay, and how much traveling do you hope to do in the future? Why or why not?
I will collect the money and save, collect the money and through the money I will visit different countries in the future.
Okay, how do you think your life will change in the future? Why or why not?
Definitely, my life will be changed in the futures. There will be many things access to me. I have a lot of money. Due to the money, I can in everything drastically change drastically in my life.
Okay, now let's move to part two. It is a cue card session. You will get a minute preparation time, and after that, you have to speak 1 to 2 minutes. And there are questions, and your preparation time begins now. And if you wish, you can make notes also, but don't write on question paper. Okay. Okay, your time is over. Please start speaking.
I have read different books in my life, but it is a crucial book which I read in my life, which was Adabato, which was written by Krishna Dharavasi. In this book, many sorrows and miseries are written, and I like this book because it represents Nepalese context and Nepalese people's life. It in this book's writers wrote his feelings. He he has suffered from different problems. Sometimes his relatives they they sometimes they are suffering from their relatives and maternal uncles, and sometimes they he suffered from neighbors due to the poverty, and our mother, our father was died due to the poverty, and our mother also struggling. and look after their children. Sometimes they face their borders, writers' borders, and they could not fulfill their mother's need, desires. So
Okay.
this book is half way of way in Nepali, आधा बाटो.
Okay, thank you so much. So you have completed part 2. Thank you so much. Okay, please hand over that. Yeah, okay, pen and paper. Okay, now let's start part 3. Okay, and first question is, what are the most popular types of children's book in your country?
There are many important books in our countries like Kopila, other books can be found in our countries for studying children's.
Okay, and what are the benefits of parents reading books to their children?
It is benefit to parents for their children's. Children's if a book, children's book, they can their children's they can impart the knowledge of different sectors. So it is benefited also by parents.
Okay, should parents always let children choose the books they read?
I think it is not choose not necessary to choose a book uh, from the side of parents. It is desire. It can be choose children's desire. It
Okay.
depends. Rely on children's.
Okay, how popular are electronic books are in your country?
Nowadays, electronics book also popular in our countries. Some organizations and our central libraries also keep many books in electronic devices. So it is gradually popular in our countries.
Okay, and what are the advantages of parents reading electronic books compared to printed books?
It is not exist in each and every parts of countries due to the internet and so I think it is still better to study printed book rather than electronic.
Okay, last question for today's session, that is, will electronic books completely replace printed books in the future?
I think it would be replaced in the future due to the development of electronic media and different technologies. It covers gradually. It covers the whole countries. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. We have completed today's speaking session. Though, before finishing this session, I would provide you some feedbacks, okay, of your overall performance. Okay, uh, as we all know, there are 4 criteria of evaluation. Okay, number 1 is fluency, and okay, it's okay, we can say average you had fluency, but you can do much more better also. Okay, and next one, okay, vocabularies, you were using common vocabs, and I couldn't find extra vocabs, high level vocabs. And if we talk about grammar portion, okay, it's okay, but again, you were not using just like complex sentences and compound sentences. And last one, okay, that is pronunciation, it's okay, okay. And overall, if I have to provide you a score, then I would give you 5.5. Okay, so that's all for today. All the best for your real test. Thank you very much.